Finding the area of a right triangle on a grid. When we're finding the area of a triangle, we have to multiply the base times the height and then divide that by 2. So we need to find out what our base is. Here's our right angle. We always have to look at the sides that border the right angle. So it doesn't really matter which one is the base and which one's the height as long as you're multiplying those together. But I'm going to use this as the base since it's on the bottom. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our base is going to be 6 and our height is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now notice that I counted squares where they may not be completely filled in with a triangle, but there is part of the triangle in those squares. And so you have to count those as well. Since we're dividing by 2, it's going to work out. So I need to find 7 times 6, base times height, equals 42. And my next step is to divide 42 divided by 2. And that gives me 21. So the area of this is 21 units squared. Area is always squared.